Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's a bit of a rainy day today. It's definitely rainy out today. Yeah, it's definitely raining, so I can't really do too much outside on this day. So this is day 2 of the solar install. The Kosta solar panel seems to be working pretty well so far. I got the junction box in there. I got that from Amazon, and yeah, so far so good. It's charging, so I gotta get the other side done, but it's working well. It's very well made. It's definitely pretty decent. I'm pretty impressed. Not bad. Let's go and take a look inside. Sorry for the mess. Looks like a bomb went off in here. Trying to clean everything. Got a battery box here. Battery box right here, so I can put that battery in this. If I want to run 2 batteries, so I'm gonna run 2 12-volt batteries. They're lead acid. The battery I had laying around, I'm on a budget, so yeah, it's even on a cloudy day, man, it's still charging. It's doing well. Wait a second. There we go. Yeah, pretty decent. So yeah, just an update here. See, I gotta run. I want to put a table here. I want to build a table, like a work table, to go across right from here over this way. But I gotta clean all this other crap up, and these wires, these lights. So I got one light back there, and I have to figure out the wiring here. I want it to look neat, so it takes time doing this stuff, man. You don't just throw in a solar panel. There's no such thing as that, dude. You have to do a lot of homework. There's a lot of different stuff you have to buy. So it's a pain in the ass. Just small stuff, really. I mean, it'll just nickel and dime you, but it's just small items. So, alright. I'll be back soon with another video. Yeah, man, it's working, which is good. But yeah, I just have to figure out how to route these wires, man, because I want it to look nice. And another thing is the floors. I bought this coating to coat the floors, so I want to coat the floors and the walls, so it protects the wood. It's like a garage floor coating, but we'll do that. That'll be another project. I'll do videos on that too. Well, yeah, man, yeah, that's it for now. But yeah, so I'll be back again with another video. It's definitely for being cloudy out, it's not bad. But yeah, I'll be back soon. See ya.